Ako si Robbie William Agoncillo, 28 years old from Batangas. Unang-una, bukod dun sa dasal ko is nagpasalamat talaga ako kasi napakadaming mga panalangin or prayers that Our Lady of Perpetual Help answered. Napakadaming blessings na binigay niya sa akin lalo last year. Just to share, I was here last October, praying to pass the board exam for medicine and for me to become a licensed doctor. And now, luckily, I passed the board last year, and due to the busy schedule, ngayon na lang ulit ako nakabalik talaga. And that's the first thing I prayed, no? I thank her for guiding me and for blessing me with this privilege. And yung prayer ko, habang papalapit sa imahe niya, is just to continue to guide me and to bless me more and to allow me to heal more people. As a product and graduate of Catholic school, we used to pray the Holy Rosary every day and the Novena to our Mother of Perpetual Help every Wednesday. And growing up, I was introduced to a very religious family also. And I think that my faith, not only with God, and my faith also to Mother Mary, has strengthened me and guided me every day, particularly in my journey in becoming a doctor. And sobrang laking tulong lang nung faith na binigay sa akin ni Lord, and sobrang naging stepping stone ko siya and gabay talaga in my everyday routine. Lalo na as a doctor, I want to be able to be an instrument of healing by God. Sa pagbaba ng imahe, the message for me is to always, number one, be humble, no? Despite all of the achievements, despite all the blessings that you have, I think the number one message that came across was to be humble and also to be grateful for all the blessings that me and everyone received. Yun, to continue being faithful and to continue praying always and believing na by praying to her, she will aid us in our distress and help us in all our prayers. My message is to just stay faithful, continue praying, and never lose hope, because just believing and keeping your faith in God, you can achieve anything. Just pray harder. If God doesn't answer now, then maybe He has better plans for you.